Asterisk title, unveiling the highest paying digital marketing jobs in 2024, 36 lakh rupees LPA and beyond asterisk. In the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, professionals skilled in leveraging online platforms to drive business growth are in high demand. As companies increasingly prioritize their online presence and marketing strategies, the demand for top-tier digital marketers has surged, leading to lucrative career opportunities with impressive salary packages. In this article, we'll delve into the highest paying digital marketing jobs in 2024, with salaries reaching 36 lakh rupees per annum LPA and beyond. ****** 1. Chief Marketing Officer CMO ***** Role Overview *** is the head of the marketing department. The CMO is responsible for developing and executing comprehensive digital marketing strategies to drive brand awareness, customer acquisition, and revenue growth. Salary range CMOs with extensive experience and a proven track record can command salaries ranging from 25 lakh rupees LPA to 50 lakh rupees LPA, depending on the company size and industry. ****2. Digital Marketing Director ****. Role Overview ****. Digital marketing directors oversee the planning, implementation, and optimization of digital marketing campaigns across various channels, including SEO, SEM, social media, and email marketing. Salary range Digital marketing directors can earn salaries ranging from 20 lakh rupees LPA to 40 lakh rupees LPA, with additional bonuses and incentives based on performance metrics. ****3. Head of Growth Marketing ****. Role Overview ****. Head of Growth Marketing focuses on driving user acquisition, retention, and revenue growth through data-driven marketing strategies, experimentation, and optimization. Salary range Salaries for head of growth marketing positions typically range from 18 lakh rupees LPA to 35 lakh rupees LPA, with the potential for performance-based bonuses and equity incentives. ***4. Digital Marketing Manager Specialized ****. Role Overview ****. Digital marketing managers specializing in areas such as SEO, SEM, social media, or content marketing are responsible for developing and executing targeted campaigns to achieve specific marketing objectives. Salary range Depending on the specialization and level of expertise, digital marketing managers can earn salaries between 12 lakh rupees LPA to 25 lakh rupees LPA, with opportunities for advancement based on performance and industry trends. ***5. E-commerce Marketing Director ****. Role Overview E-commerce marketing directors lead the marketing efforts for online retail platforms, focusing on driving traffic, optimizing conversion rates, and maximizing revenue through effective digital marketing strategies. Salary range Salaries for e-commerce marketing directors range from 15 lakh rupees LPA to 30 lakh rupees LPA, with additional perks such as performance bonuses and stock options in e-commerce companies. Unlock your potential in digital marketing Are you ready to pursue a rewarding career in digital marketing and unlock earning potentials of 36 lakh rupees LPA and beyond? Our team of experts is here to provide free consultation and guidance to help you navigate your career path in this dynamic field. Contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058 to kickstart your journey towards success today. In conclusion, the digital marketing landscape in 2024 offers lucrative career opportunities for skilled professionals, with salaries reaching 36 lakh rupees LPA and beyond for top leadership positions. By honing your skills, staying updated with industry trends, and seizing opportunities for growth, you can position yourself for success in the rapidly evolving world of digital marketing. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing की दुनिया। I am Turlav Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।
Asterisk title, Demystifying Databases, a comprehensive guide for 2024 asterisk. In the digital age, data reigns supreme, and databases serve as the backbone of virtually every aspect of modern computing. From managing vast amounts of information to facilitating seamless transactions, databases play a pivotal role in storing, organizing, and retrieving data efficiently. In this article, we'll explore what databases are, their types, functionalities, and their significance in 2024. ****. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of structured data, typically stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. It consists of tables, each containing rows and columns, where data is stored in a structured format. Databases are designed to manage large volumes of information and provide mechanisms for querying, updating, and manipulating data. ****. Types of databases. ****. 1. Relational databases. Relational databases organize data into tables with predefined relationships between them. Examples include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. 2. ****Gnosc databases. ****Gnosc databases are non-relational and offer flexible schema designs, making them suitable for handling unstructured or semi-structured data. Examples include Mingode, Cassandra, and Redis. 3. ****NuScale databases. ****NuScale databases combine the benefits of traditional relational databases with the scalability and performance advantages of Gnosc databases. Examples include CockroachDB and Google Spanner. 4. ****Graph databases. ****Graph databases represent data as nodes, edges, and properties, making them ideal for managing interconnected data and complex relationships. Examples include Neo4j and Amazon Neptune. ****. Key functionalities of databases. ****. 1. Data storage. Databases store vast amounts of structured and unstructured data efficiently, ensuring data integrity and reliability. 2. Data retrieval. Databases provide mechanisms for querying and retrieving specific data based on user-defined criteria, using query languages such as SQL, Structured Query Language, or Specialized APIs. 3. Data security. Databases implement security measures to protect sensitive information, including authentication, authorization, encryption, and access control mechanisms. 4. Concurrency control. Databases manage simultaneous access to data by multiple users or applications, ensuring data consistency and preventing conflicts through techniques such as locking and transactions. 5. Scalability and performance. Databases are designed to scale horizontally or vertically to accommodate growing data volumes and user loads, while maintaining optimal performance and response times. Significance of databases in 2024. In 2024, databases continue to play a crucial role in various domains, including e-commerce, managing product catalogs, customer information, and transactional data. Finance, handling financial transactions, customer accounts, and regulatory compliance. Asterisk healthcare, asterisk storing patient records, medical histories, and diagnostic data securely. Asterisk analytics, asterisk analyzing large datasets for business intelligence, trend analysis, and decision making. Asterisk free consultation and additional resources, asterisk. For personalized guidance on database management, implementation, or choosing the right database solution for your business needs, contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058. Our experts are available to provide free consultation and support to help you harness the power of databases effectively. In conclusion, databases are the foundation of modern data management and play a pivotal role in storing, organizing, and retrieving data efficiently across various industries in 2024. By understanding the types, functionalities, and significance of databases, businesses and organizations can leverage data effectively to drive innovation, improve decision making, and achieve their strategic objectives. Database marketing vs direct marketing, a comparative analysis. Have you ever wondered which technical approach is most suitable for enhancing business communication? Database marketing and direct marketing both analyze various aspects of marketing. Let's delve into these two techniques together. Database marketing. Description. Database marketing refers to the use of business information to establish communication with customers. It involves storing information such as customer names, addresses, emails, etc. This data is utilized to track customer behavior and preferences, aiding in providing support and training. Benefits. 1. Efficient collection of business information. 2. Improved customer communication. 3. Building a loyal customer base. Direct marketing. Description. In direct marketing, businesses establish direct contact with customers to achieve specific objectives. This can be done through advertising, telemarketing, and other forms of direct customer contact. Benefits. 1. Direct contact with targeted objectives. 2. Prompt responses. 3. Effective marketing outcomes. Comparative analysis. 1. Usage. Database marketing establishes communication through data usage, while direct marketing establishes direct contact with customers. 2. Impact. Database marketing enhances continuous communication, whereas direct marketing establishes direct contact with specific objectives. This comparative analysis aims to help you understand the difference between database marketing and direct marketing. For free consultation, contact contact number +91 9864170343 and 9,864,855,058 Feel free to reach out for further guidance and consultation. डेटाबेस मार्केटिंग बनाम सीधी मार्केटिंग, एक तुलनात्मक विश्लेषण। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि व्यावसायिक संचार को बढ़ावा देने के लिए कौन सा तकनीकी तरीका सबसे उपयुक्त हो सकता है? डेटाबेस मार्केटिंग और सीधी मार्केटिंग दोनों ही मार्केटिंग के विभिन्न पहलुओं को विश्लेषित करते हैं। आइए इस लेख में इन दोनों तकनीकों को एक साथ देखते हैं। डेटाबेस मार्केटिंग। विवरण। डेटाबेस मार्केटिंग उस तकनीक को कहते हैं जिसमें व्यावसायिक जानकारी का उपयोग किया जाता है ताकि ग्राहकों के साथ संवाद स्थापित किया जा सके। इसमें ग्राहकों के नाम, पता, ईमेल आदि जैसी जानकारी एक संग्रह में रखी जाती है। यह उपयोगकर्ता के व्यवहार और पसंदों को अनुसरण करने के लिए किया जाता है और उन्हें समर्थन और प्रशिक्षण प्रदान करने के लिए उपयोगी होता है। लाभ। 1. व्यावसायिक जानकारी का अच्छा संग्रह। 2. ग्राहक संवाद में बेहतरी। 3. निरंतर लॉयल ग्राहक बनाना। सीधी मार्केटिंग। विवरण। सीधी मार्केटिंग में व्यवसाय निर्धारित लक्ष्य के लिए सीधे ग्राहकों के साथ संपर्क स्थापित करता है। यह विज्ञापन, टेलीमार्केटिंग और सीधे ग्राहक संपर्क की अन्य विधियों के माध्यम से किया जा सकता है। लाभ। 1. निर्धारित लक्ष्य के साथ सीधा संपर्क। 2. त्वरित प्रतिक्रिया। 3. परिणामकारी विपणन। तुलनात्मक विश्लेषण। 1. उपयोग। डेटाबेस मार्केटिंग डेटा का उपयोग करके संवाद स्थापित करता है, जबकि सीधी मार्केटिंग सीधे ग्राहक संपर्क के माध्यम से यह करता है। 2. प्रभाव। डेटाबेस मार्केटिंग निरंतर संवाद को बढ़ावा देता है, जबकि सीधी मार्केटिंग निर्धारित लक्ष्य के साथ सीधा संपर्क स्थापित करता है। उम्मीद है कि यह तुलनात्मक विश्लेषण आपको डेटाबेस मार्केटिंग और सीधी मार्केटिंग के बीच अंतर को समझने में मदद करेगा। मुफ्त परामर्श के लिए संपर्क करें। Exploring startup business ideas in 2024, database business ideas for the digital age. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, opportunities abound for entrepreneurs to capitalize on emerging trends and meet the evolving needs of businesses and consumers. In the dynamic landscape of 2024, one area ripe with potential is the database business sector. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a budding innovator, diving into the world of database-driven startups presents a plethora of exciting possibilities. Join us as we explore some cutting-edge startup business ideas in the realm of databases and discover how you can leverage data to drive innovation and success in the digital age. The power of data, fueling innovation and growth. In an era defined by data, businesses rely on robust databases to store, organize, and analyze vast amounts of information. From customer insights and market trends to operational efficiency and decision making, data lies at the heart of every successful enterprise. As such, startups that harness the power of databases hold the key to unlocking new opportunities and driving meaningful impact across industries. Startup business ideas in the database sector. 1. Data analytics platform. Develop a comprehensive data analytics platform that empowers businesses to extract actionable insights from their data. Offer advanced analytics capabilities, predictive modeling, and visualization tools to help organizations make data-driven decisions and gain a competitive edge in their respective markets. 2. Data security solutions. With cybersecurity threats on the rise, there's a growing demand for innovative data security solutions. Launch a startup that specializes in developing robust encryption protocols, access controls, and threat detection mechanisms to safeguard sensitive data and protect against cyber attacks. 3. Cloud database services. As businesses increasingly migrate their operations to the cloud, there's a need for reliable and scalable cloud database services. Create a startup that offers cloud-based database solutions, including storage, backup, and management services, tailored to the unique requirements of modern enterprises. 4. Data integration platform. Simplify the process of data integration across disparate systems and applications with a comprehensive data integration platform. Develop tools and APIs that enable seamless data exchange and synchronization, empowering businesses to streamline their workflows and enhance collaboration. 5. Personalized marketing database. Leverage the power of data analytics and machine learning to create a personalized marketing database that delivers targeted and relevant messaging to consumers. Offer businesses the ability to segment their audience, track customer interactions, and optimize marketing campaigns for maximum impact and ROI. Unlock your entrepreneurial potential. Contact us for a free consultation. Ready to turn your database business idea into a reality? Contact us today at +91 9864 170343 and 9,864,855,058 for free consultation and expert guidance on how to bring your startup vision to life. Whether you're seeking strategic advice, technical expertise, or funding opportunities, our team is here to support you every step of the way. Don't let the opportunity slip away, seize the moment and embark on your entrepreneurial journey today. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।
Asterisk title, How to Generate 10 Lakh Rupees Monthly Income in 2024, a comprehensive guide asterisk. In today's rapidly changing economic landscape, achieving financial independence and generating substantial monthly income is a goal for many individuals. With the right strategies and dedication, it's possible to reach a monthly income of 10 lakh rupees in 2024. In this guide, we'll explore various avenues and methods to help you achieve this ambitious financial milestone. ###1 Asterisk Entrepreneurship and Business Ventures, Asterisk. Start a scalable business. Identify niche markets or emerging industries where there is potential for growth. Launch a product or service that addresses a specific need or pain point within that market. Online business, e-commerce, SaaS software as a service digital marketing agencies, and content creation platforms offer significant income potential with relatively low initial investment. ###2 Investment and passive income streams, Stock market investments, invest in blue chip stocks, dividend paying stocks, or explore opportunities in emerging sectors such as renewable energy, technology, or healthcare. Real estate investments, rental properties, REITs, real estate investment trusts, and property development can provide steady cash flow and long-term appreciation. Cryptocurrency and blockchain, with careful research and risk management, investing in cryptocurrencies or blockchain projects can yield substantial returns. ###3 Freelancing and consulting, specialized skills, leverage your expertise in areas such as IT, marketing, finance, or design to offer freelance services to businesses or individuals. Consulting services, provide consultancy services in your field of expertise, offering personalized solutions and advice to clients. ###4 Passive income streams, dividend investing, build a diversified portfolio of dividend paying stocks or invest in dividend focused mutual funds or ETFs, exchange traded funds. Rental income, invest in rental properties or utilize platforms like Airbnb to generate passive rental income. Digital products, create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software applications that provide recurring revenue. ###5 Financial planning and wealth management, seek professional advice, consult with financial advisors or wealth managers to develop a personalized financial plan tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Diversification, spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. Regular review, monitor your financial progress regularly and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Additional resources and free consultation. For personalized guidance and assistance in achieving your financial goals, we offer complimentary consultations. Contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058 to schedule your free consultation today. In conclusion, achieving a monthly income of 10 lakh rupees in 2024 requires a combination of strategic planning, diligent execution, and a willingness to explore new opportunities. By leveraging entrepreneurship, investments, freelancing, and passive income streams, you can pave the way towards financial success and independence. Remember to seek professional advice and continuously educate yourself on financial matters to navigate the journey effectively. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। Globe asterisk asterisk English asterisk asterisk. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Turlav Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।